What is your quick video?
Yeah. All right, shoot a quick video. We got the demo going on, Star Avenue. Walk through real quick. We getting it all together, so we got all the sheetrock out. Sweeping up a lot of insulation. We're actually gonna take the floors up. Some of the tiles are loose. Kitchen cabinets staying in, but the guys got a lot of work in today. We'll cut through here, which you'll see. Placing all the windows, new floors going in. So you can see some of the mold here on the sheetrock that we're tearing out. But yeah, full remodel on this one. Just taking her down to the studs with a new bathroom, 2 bedroom, 1 bath. It's the unit here. New duct work, new HVAC. What it's gonna be? It's gonna be a good project as we go through and make the updates and walk through as the guys finishing up today, and walk through the other side. Kind of the same thing, going through the complete demo. A little less work on this side, so a lot of the sheetrock is still good. Didn't get a lot of wet, a lot of moisture on this side. But yeah, bathroom. So we're taking the stairs down. The guys getting the closet doors are pretty good. And yeah, you're gonna cut here with the closet on this one side, non-load bearing wall here. We're sliding this back in to free up some space here. We're bringing in the closet to right about here, and then opening all this up the entryway. So definitely got our work cut out ahead of us, but be all worth it in the end. Should be pretty good here. Over here, Star Avenue, Panama City. Restoration underway, Operation Restore. As you can see, live and in full effect.